Binance burns 1.7 billion LUNC worth around 220k. This is their monthly burn, guys. In a bull market, we have more volume. The amount that Binance is burning is going to be going up, which is only going to add fire to the fuel for the Luna Classic price. I've actually taken a long on Luna Classic. I'll be covering this trade live as I've been making this video. There's lots of other news to talk about. Juris protocol development has started, guys, which is really bullish news. I'll touch on that. There's TerraCasino Terraport updates. There's a new protocol, Selenium, launching on Luna Classic. It's gonna be some a synthetics assets platform similar to what Mirror Protocol was. Terra Casino had a huge month. There was a massive payout. Every bet and trade burns Luna Classic. They're one of the biggest burners of Luna Classic. There's lots of other news to talk about, including the big one, USTC Repeg update. So if you enjoy the content, guys, do hit that like button and subscribe. I make this weekly video where I give you a quick update on everything that's going on. If you want the more longer form content, I do make it long spaces, including some of the key members of the Luna Classic community, and we share with you what we're building. I'll do post that video later on. You can watch that if you want to go into a lot more detail. But if you enjoy the content, guys, like I said, hit that like button, subscribe. Any comments and likes really helps the channel out, and it also helps Luna Classic. We're seeing a lot of OG people like Bull BNB, massive influencers way bigger than me, talking about Luna and Luna Classic. If Luna Classic can get into top 20, top 50, people are going to start seeing it. We're seeing with XRP, there's lots of OG XRP holders. They're bullish XRP. They're buying XRP, and there's lots of old Luna and Luna Classic holders as well. If they see that Luna Classic is still building, we're having amazing protocols, we're increasing our TVL. There's we've got active DEX, lending borrowing protocols, other DeFi NFT projects. Again, I'm touching more on the projects I'm involved in. But there's lots of other projects I want to talk about as well. Garuda, there's Elbon with the order book stuff. So there's lots of other projects, NFT, meme coins that's happening. And if they see that, and with your help as well, with your likes, shares, they could potentially buy Luna Classic. And hopefully we see this type of pump that XRP and other coins had on Luna Classic as well. I'll come on to the price and trade later on, guys. Let's talk about the news first. So the first news I want to talk about is Juris lending protocol has officially entered the development phase. So Juris Protocol LL69 have confirmed they've entered the development phase, and also the first SEC listing is also about to happen in the next few weeks. Exciting times ahead for the LUNC bull. So you can see Frag, this message that is sent. We've also shared some UI what the protocol is going to look like. He's working with David on that. Redline is working on the humming bot for the SEC listing as well. So lots of exciting stuff happening for Juris. I'll touch on the price prediction for Juris, CatWifHat, and Luna Classic later on in the video. So that's a quick update on Juris, guys. I need to keep this video short because I'm recording in Thailand. My long spaces almost took 7 hours to upload, so I'll try to keep this video to less than 10 minutes, so it's slightly easier for me to update. An update from Terraport, guys. Compensation plan rollout this week. New proposal for new farms and online staking. For updates for Juris and Selenium, go listen to the spaces. Again, we go into a lot more detail on the spaces. We have Rexy and Vegas talking about the Selenium project. Go check them out as well. I did share this on my Twitter as well. If you want to find out more about it, go listen to the spaces. But basically, it's going to be a synthetics platform where you can trade, you can add assets and have synthetics assets. So you can deposit LUNC, Selenium, potentially Juris, Terra. You can also add USTC, so it will give a benefit to Luna Classic, because you'll be able to gives utility to USTC, because you can put USTC as a collateral. So that's another bullish news that I wanted to touch on. Terra Casino, guys. So I mentioned it earlier, Terra Casino just had a massive payout, guys. It's been a big month for Terra Casino, and this leads on to the other initiative that Terra Casino is doing, which is Project Moon. So if you guys have followed this channel, I made a top 5 meme coins to buy. A link at the end of the video if you want to go watch that. I'm trying really hard to push a meme coin season on Luna Classic, and Rexy and Terraport came up with this initiative, Project Moon, where they're burning a meme coin. This is really bullish bullish for Luna Classic, guys, because if we can get a meme coin season going, we saw what happened with Solana, that will be really bullish. And CatWifHat is being burnt. We've already 10x'd and we're consolidating just above new all-time highs. We could potentially get a breakout. I think about 5% burns have already happened. There's another big burn coming next week. Let's see if CatWifHat can break out. So shout out to Project Moon and Terra Casino for that. Again, if you guys support the channel, go buy at least $10, $50, $100 worth of Juris, and also go buy some CatWifHat or go bet on Terra Casino. It also helps the channel out as well. So let's talk about the main news, guys. So I've actually reached out to him. So on my yesterday's Spaces guy, I actually said to him, do you want to come up? We can talk about it. And he said he's going to let me know so we can find out more updates. But if you read this post that he's made, he's looking for developers, which is okay. But I was under the impression that, you know, everything was in plan. There's going to be, if you watch my previous video, I made a detailed analysis on that. They said it was all planned. The implementation detailed paper was going to come out. But where we are now, guys, we're looking for people that can develop on this. If you go follow Leonardo from the Ceramic team, he's reaching out to people in the Luna Classic ecosystem that could potentially work and do what he's trying to build. So he's reaching out to people like Vinny, reaching out to older people that have been part of the community before, like Ed and Zarada, and I wish him all the best. Hopefully he can find someone. I don't want to, you know, judge before it's already happened. Some people are saying he's just engaging and stuff, and some people are, you know, attacking me as well, but I want to just bring attention to something that could help Luna Classic. If there's a small 10% chance that this Repeg stuff even just goes ahead, we don't need it to $1. If it just goes ahead, can you imagine how much bullish it's going to be for our bags? So that's why I've been fully supporting it. But I do want to bring an attention to this. So Redline, he knows a lot about stable coins and repegs more than me. He's asked the question, when is the technical paper going to be released? We don't need the code, we need the basic theory. There's no code involved, it's just the basic math at this point. The issue is the white paper is missing a lot of specifics, which we've touched on, and he's saying the development team would provide the technical element of the white paper in conjunction with the governance proposal for community approval. So it means that there's not going to be any governance proposal until we have a development team. Today the resources to make this happen are just Ceramic and me. I've made some technical understanding, but I'm not a developer. But if Ceramic is a developer, could he not help provide you that? Everything in the white paper is doable. You want to know how and want to know now what is basic information is missing, and then Redline replies to that as well. So you can go read all that. I'm not going to read it, but just to summarize that for you, there is a I guess I don't want to say missing, but that we need to see more information, and what Leonardo and the Ceramic team are saying is that we need to have a developer team that can deliver what's in the white paper, and it's not going to be easy to find that. Maybe in a bull market with price going up, we have some. He's reaching out to people, and hopefully he comes to one of our future spaces and I can give you an exact update. But that is the update for now. Only happened a couple of days ago. Fingers crossed that we get this going, because, you know, all this stuff, again, I'm biased on Juris. I think Juris will go to the moon. I really think it's undervalued at the moment. But the biggest unique selling point for Luna Classic, hands down, is our USTC. If we can get a USTC Repeg going, whatever plan it is, we don't need $1. I'd expect Luna Classic to 2, 3, 4x, and that's why I really want to push this narrative. Let me know your guys' thoughts on USTC Repeg. Can I do something differently? Do you think I'm doing the right thing by supporting the team? I'd love to hear your thoughts, because I know lots of you guys are interested in the USTC Repeg stuff. I'm trying my best on this, guys. Like I've said, I've reached out to Leonardo on the spaces yesterday. Hopefully he'll let me know, and we'll do another spaces, and I'll post it on this YouTube with a live update. So that's pretty much all the news. Like I said, I'm just focusing on the sort of the news that I'm close to, but also any key updates that's happening in the community I try to share as well. If there's anything that I haven't covered, do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll try to cover it in the future videos. One other thing I want to touch on is the meme coin season. So there was I think Rexy posted this. There was a competition for the most volume on Luna Classic. Let me just find that post. The team that won that is actually Hot Lady Token. I covered it in my spaces before. You can go check that out. Yesterday's video that I posted, the top 5 coins to buy, I posted it there, and they actually won that. I think it was posted on the Terra Casino account, actually. Let me just go back and check, guys. Terra, is it in the Terra Casino account? there's so many accounts, so many posts going out, it's always difficult to find out. But yeah, that's another news that I want to share with you guys. So we're really trying to push this narrative, and there was a project, see which project can win for the most volume, and Hot Lady token won it. So I want to give a shout out to them as well. Again, I don't own any Hot Lady token, but I want to give them a shout out. So in terms of Juris's technical analysis, guys, I'll keep it very short and simple. So we had this sort of big breakout, right? So we had this trend line breakout, we had the sell off or rack off, and then we had the rally. I think we just chop sort of around here, and then we get the breakout. I don't know whether it's end of this year or next year. If I had to have a guess, I think it will happen with the testnet going live and the hype of Juris protocol. I think that's when it's going to happen. So hopefully Luna Classic is 2-3x higher up from where it is now. Then we have the Juris breakout. That's when we start making that big money. So that's sort of my dream plan for Juris. Let's see what happens. I don't know if we're going to have a bigger sell-off or we're going to have a breakout, but I'm pretty confident that with what we're building and LO69 Frag and all the team that's working so hard, we're going to hopefully see a breakout. I do want to do a technical analysis on Terra, guys. So I did show you Terra. I bought some Terra for the Selenium airdrop. It's actually slightly lower. I think I got in around here. So it's around similar price to where I got in. These are the lows we saw back in October as well. So hopefully we start breaking out. Like I said, it's just going chopping, going sideways, but it is at big support level with the airdrop for Selenium. If you hold some, I think 10,000 Terra, which is just $100, I know if you're looking for an airdrop, it might be worth it, and the price could go up as well. So this is big support level, buy support, sell resistance. This could be a good level to buy. CatWifHat is actually on this list now. So CatWifHat, like I said, this was breaking out. Well, it's already broken out from previous all-time highs, which is really good to see. And now, guys, it's just going sideways, and I don't know whether it's going to be this high or that high. I'm going to draw it here because we broke down after this. So that's the breakout level I have, and I think, you know, this fake out that we saw, I think this is this fake out. The next breakout we have, I think, is when we're going to start seeing a bigger pump. So let's see if CatWifHat can go up. Like I said, it's such a low market cap, I can't really be shilling you technical analysis on this. What I'll say is, if Terra Casino keeps burning, if CatWifHat, you know, this guy's also developing as well. Go check out the project website. He's got some staking, NFT staking. He's trying to grow project revenue so he can do buyback and burns. This could actually go, I mean, I would love to see it at least, I mean, 1 million would be amazing, but 250, 500k, that would be amazing to see. So fingers crossed, guys. Let's see if CatWifHat can get around that level. So guys, finally I want to end with technical analysis on Luna Classic. So high time frame, guys. So I'm gonna touch on the shorter time frame stuff. So if we just quickly round up, not much has happened. I got on this sort of candle that we saw, this pullback. I didn't think we are gonna get a bigger pullback, and you can already see we're starting to move back above that level now. This is the breakout level. It looks like a retest. Again, my first target would be here, and then that will be my second target. So higher time frame, that also lines up, guys, because this is a big resistance level. This is the monthly level that we saw. We could not get a monthly close back in December, in March rally as well. So if we can come here again, I said this will be a bit of a resistance. If we can break out above there, that's when I think the fireworks is going to happen. And I'm going to look at XRP and H bar, because these are the two big bags that I've been trading with. We can see that H bar just blasted through that resistance. Could Luna Classic do something similar? Sorry, this is XRP. H bar did something exactly similar. It just literally blasted through that resistances. So could Luna Classic do something similar? I would expect some resistance, lower highs, then boom, a big breakout. That would be amazing to see, guys. So that's the quick technical analysis on Luna Classic, guys. I'm expecting short time frame target. Where's Luna Classic gone? Expecting short time frame target 0.0006. Longer term targets, I think we should be looking towards that 0.003 level. These were the highs previously. We got close to that last time. I think that is when we're going to start finding resistance. And if I go back to what I said earlier, guys, if we can start going back to those pre-crash levels, guys, that's when the bigger influencers are going to start talking about us. The old OG holders are going to be like, oh, what is this Luna Classic that's pumping? I used to have this bag. Oh, let me look at Juris. They've got a lending borrowing protocol, or let me try that protocol. And that's how it works, guys. We're seeing it from XRP. As an investor or trader, you need to start thinking about how the market is going to think in the future and try to make educated guesses and allocate allocate accordingly. So that's sort of my bullish narrative I've got in my head. Again, although I'm trading other bags, and I wanted to end it on this tweet. You know, don't get me wrong, I'm still bullish Luna Classic, and the price is up, I think 10-20% since this tweet. But you know, I'm talking about other stuff that's pumping, but Luna Classic is still a big bag, guys. I think this target will happen in the next few days. After that, when we get the breakout, maybe a couple of days of sideways, then we get the bigger breakout. And if all lines up, Binance burns, updates, you know, Solana, meme coin hype, we have Juris, Terraport, Garuda, Selenium, Elba, and all these projects pumping, then we can get a recipe where we can start going towards previous all-time highs and have a hype cycle with the support of Binance, a bull market run for Luna Classic. So that's the video, guys. If you enjoyed it, do hit that like button and subscribe. If you want to find out more about which meme coins to buy, I'll link this video, top 5 meme coins to buy on Luna Classic. Thank you very much.